welcome back to another of my video. I am doing a Rubik's Cube unboxing today. My Rubik's Cubes finally came in. Thank you. Skizzers.
Careful.
Okay. Here is accessories. Here is lube. Oh, here is the bag and oh, they're both the cubes. They look so small.
Use your scissors if you need to.
Okay. I have not done this since I got my first cube. No, not first cube. My last cube. It's so small. First one done. Oh, that one's not that. So, please don't say that. Oh, no, I ripped it. I didn't mean to. Okay, so here's the stand. Here's the cube. Oh, it's so small. This is the best day ever. I don't know if this is an extra. Oh, this one is stickered, Daddy. I got a full orange one and a normal one. So this is basically a force cube. It's stickered. I'm gonna do the normal one first, just to see how it is.
Compare the size. Put them next to each other.
Does it have? Oh.
Put them next to each other. Let's see.
Okay, good. I thought it didn't have. It's not that much of a size difference. This is a Rubik's brand. So this is kind of slow, but it's faster than my old one. Okay. It's really good out of the box. I might need to put in the lube just in case, because I have to break it in. The magnets aren't that strong. Okay, it's solved. So the corner cutting is good. I'm gonna put in some lube. Okay. I don't know how many drops it says to put in.
Why don't you read it?
Okay. It's Nebula lube, which I also unbox. So it says 60 break in. 60 drops?
60? No, that sounds too rough. That's not wrong.
It's probably like 6, because all the other lubes I've seen being unboxed is 6, right?
The whole bottle is 60 drops.
I think it's 6.
Well, try one and see how it works.
Okay, so yes, here's a screwdriver. And that's the same in this accessory box. So I'm gonna try one. So how does it look on the stand? Okay. This is how it looks on the stand. It's RS free, I believe it's, what was this again? Okay, it's just RS free M. I ordered it on Speed Shop. I'm gonna use one drop and see how it is. Oh, it's safety. Oh, it's a safety cap. Good. So it says 6 when break in. I've never done move. So why is this so tight? Jeez. Oh my gosh. So let's just do. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna. No. I need a napkin. Oh, it's so slippery. Slippery dippery. Darn it, I got it on my cube. Got the lube on my cube. I did it wrong, I think. But it's fine, it's just slippery now. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna do this side now. Oh, I didn't put it in yet. No, it's somehow like. Oh, it's around the edges. Be right back. I can lube to clean around the edges now. Also, now I have to clean it again. This is going totally wrong. Okay. Maybe you just don't put it at the edge. Let it drop. How? It's going wrong, bro. Okay, if this is 5mm bottle of it. I really think you should grab her. I really think you shouldn't put in the lube by yourself. Or if you're a kid. I'm gonna lube a Rubik's Sprint. I'm joking. Why would I lube the heck in Rubik's Sprint? I would throw the Rubik's Sprint away. I would never throw this away. Why would I throw it away? And time for... Actually, no. I'm gonna do a solve straight in front of me. On this, and then I'm gonna test out the orange one. Where's the top? Okay, that's the top. I like how it has literal stickers still at the top. So, scramble time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I don't have my timer with me, so I'm just gonna go with the flow, bro. You wanna know what my first cube had? It was a literal GAN. So Actually, no, it was the Rubik's brand. Because I got my GAN when I officially solved the cube. Oh, it's so fast now. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot it's MoU RS3M. Okay, put that off to the side. Stand. Time to use. Oh gosh. Sort of packaging is that? Safe packaging. Does it have little? It has tape on it. You know what? Just pull. Screw the tape. This cost $24 for the custom. Wait, is it? Okay, it's stickered. Out of the box, it looks so heckin' cool. It looks so cool. I do recommend this. It's so good. It's so good compared to my old one. I'm gonna add some lube. Hopefully it doesn't get slippery. One drop. Two drop. Three drop. 4 drops in this cube. I have to do 2 more for it to actually be a full lube. So I'm enjoying this. Oh, settings. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do 2 more since 6 drop. Break in, enjoy. All right, that was hopefully 2. Might have accidentally done freeze on it. Let's do it. Okay, I thought there was something in there because it was a wiggly squiggly, big fat biggly. Oh, I could hear the springs. I'm gonna fix that. Actually, I'm gonna take the sticker off. I'm not taking the stickers off. I'm taking. Let me just show you. Okay. I was taking this off. It was the logo. No stickers taken off. Daddy, it sounds like springs. I watched a video by Jason. To make it not sound like springs, you have to put lube on the spring. And I just need to take the.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah, I put lube in it. I put 6 drops since it was supposed to say 6 drops. So, can you take the cap off from like there? Oh wait, no, I did it. Never mind. That was easier than when I did it. I'm not doing it.
Don't do any more. 6 is a lot.
No, Daddy, you're supposed to put lube on the spring to make it not sound like
But
spring.
6 is a lot.
I know. I'm not gonna do it just in case. Just in case it goes wrong. overall review, it's very, very clean. Good. Why did I say clean? I mean, yeah, it's supposed to be clean, straight from the pack. Now I can practice elves. This one, I'm gonna just put one more, just in case. I did not do 6, I'm just doing one more. So good. Sheesh. What is in here? I hope you could read Chinese. Oh, this side is English. I'm gonna learn the beginner method again, the way they teach. All right. Rotation, okay, blah, blah, blah. Make the cross on the bottom layer. Okay, bottom layer, cross. Easy, done. Now it says solve edge pieces. They made a mistake. It says edge pickers because there's no E on it. So wait, no. Seriously. They made a mistake. Instead of saying edge pieces, no, it said solve corner. It's solving corner pieces, but it says edge pieces. So I have no idea what they're on, but okay, blah. Actually, no, I'm just gonna solve it. I don't care about learning. I already did. Solved. Oh, just if you're wondering, this is Nebula Lube. Moyu Speed Cube Shop, RS Freedom. Definitely recommend. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. You can choose whatever you want. If you think the video was just nothing special, nothing that scared me, nothing special, nothing bad, then don't give it anything. Please subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And it's free. And you can unsubscribe later. It's just helps me out a lot. Your choice. Hopefully make the choice correctly.
Kyle, I'm gonna start the fire.
Okay.
Kyle.
He's upstairs, I think, or outside.
Kyle. Kyle. Connor, mute your microphone for a minute.
Okay, hold on.
Pause.
I can't. Bye.